controversial musician, confronts his girlfriend, Queen Dami, the late Alaafin of Oyo's wife, over her unwillingness to have his baby amid all of his wives. The musician responded to a remark from Queen Dami on a post, wondering why she is the only one of his wives who refuses to get pregnant despite being responsible for all her needs. After she prompted him to continue with his inquiries, Portable revealed that she complains that he has a kid every year, but she refuses to have his baby. He expressed displeasure that she is still interested in the outside world despite living in his house, claiming that he cared for her when no one else did. Portable words: "Now only you know get belle among all my wives. I am responsible for you but you fail me. Why you no gree get belle for me? Why? You say I day born Pikin every year, why you no gree born for me? I take care of you when nobody is there for you. Now my house you day but outside still day your face. You disappoint me. I show you love." Will Queen Dami get pregnant for Portable? Only time will tell.